Hey there everyone, it's Joe from Ainslie Bullion, ainslieBullion.com.au with your weekly product spotlight. Today you are looking at the Royal Canadian Mint 2022 Gold Maplegram 1 gram coins in sheets of 25, available online or over the counter at our Brisbane and Melbourne stores. I'll put a link below to the specific product page on the website. So they come in, as I said, sheets of 25, but they're individually carded, meaning they're in specific individual assay cards. Each one acts as a little assay certificate. I'll show you as close as I can with our little trusty magnifying glass here. Hopefully we'll see a little bit more detail, but basically it's exactly the same as buying a larger gold coin. All the details are the same. Let's see how close we can get. Of course, at the top on this side, you've got Canada at the top. Of course, the gold maple leaf, or the maple leaf design. On the left and the right hand side, and sort of centered on the left and the right, you have 4 nines on either side, indicating 4 nines pure gold. And on the bottom left, you've got fine gold in English, and on the bottom right, you have or pure, meaning fine gold in French, and just at the very bottom, you have 1 gram, I believe it is. So that is that side, and let's show you the obverse. Now, being 2022, they are, of course, still going to have an effigy of Her Majesty the Queen, may she rest in peace. So at the top there, you've got Her Majesty right there in the middle, of course, and a fiat dollar value down the bottom of 50 cents right there, and the year is 2023. Now, what you'll notice is they are all individually serialized. So once again, you can just break these off and treat them like individual 1 gram gold coins. Why might you want to purchase the Maplegram sheets of 25? Well, maybe you're into stacking fractional gold. It's not a bad way. It's depending on where you think the world might be going. Do you think you may need to sell tiny little bits at a time for any specific reason? Maybe because the price of gold is at a really, really high price, so it's more economical to sell them to people in smaller sizes. Maybe you meet someone who only has enough for 1 or 2 gold coins in this size. So we think diversifying is a great idea. You diversify within brand, you diversify within type, bars and coins, etc. And you also diversify, we think you should, diversify in size. So having some of these smaller denominations, not a bad idea. Again, because we don't exactly know where the world is going to go and what you may need the gold for and where you may need to sell it. So these are, as I said, the 2022 version of the Royal Canadian Mint Maplegram gold coins. We sell them in the full sheet of 25, and they do come in this card as well. We'll just show you again. That is the front of the card, and that is the back of the card. Once again, I'll put a link below to the specific product page, and you can purchase them on the website or pop into the Brisbane and Melbourne stores. I want you to like and share this video, and of course hit the big red subscribe button for all the videos we produce every single week. And at the end, as always, thanks for choosing Ainslie.